In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add more keywords to your Shopify product collection pages. If you're not doing this already, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to get customers. Let me show you what I mean by this. So for most of you, here's my shop. I have a lot of fun with it. I sell t-shirt designs that I have, mostly workbooks for other local business owners. These people find very helpful. And I've got some fun stuff because I like history and this is my shop. I can sell whatever I want on it. But let me show you this. So here's the big mistake that many Shopify store owners make. When I go into a collection, so let me just go to these Shopify, these mugs. You have to remember that Google, even though it's an answer engine now, ChatGPT, Gemini, all of these, they're looking and reading text. Text is still important for them to see on a website page to bring you up in the answer engine or any place else, that you're trying to sell. You're giving still the world context about who it is you are and what you sell. But I want you to check out this page. Okay, I'm going to use this one because the other one wasn't loading fast. So I put this in, convert to text. Here's all the text on my page. Word count 370, right? Now look at this page. That's not very much text. I've just got basically product titles and prices. So you can see that's not really telling very much. Now, if I go to an individual product detail page, right, I've got more text in the description, and hopefully you do too, that tells about the product. But what we're talking about is ranking this one specific page of all of my products, right? Now compare that with when you actually fill in your collection information, which I'll show you how to do that in the upcoming video. But if I actually go here and fill in the text that describes my collection of products, and then I display that here on my site, and I'm not talking about design. You can design this however you want. You can put this below the products, above it. That doesn't matter. But look I've actually got text here with keywords: shop local themed t-shirts, shop local t-shirts, support local restaurant t-shirts, right? All of these products are described, the collection of products, what that is. And if I take this over here, do this, remember this last one had almost no context for the search engines, answer engines, had 370 characters. Now I do this, now it's got 955, right? And there's actual text that's being picked up and read by the answer engines and the search engines that can help describe what this page is, why it's valuable, and match it up with potential consumers as they're looking for it. So if you're struggling to figure out how to match that up, stay tuned for the next video. I'll show you how to fill this in, make sure it's keyword rich, and then get it to display on your site. We'll catch you in the next video.